Hello, Andrew here, Burncoose Nurseries. We're in tunnel number 5, which is our shady tunnel, and our tunnel which we grow are Acers, which we get in from New Zealand as bare root plants. So these come in July, August of the previous year, and we pot them up and we grow them on for sales for this following spring, late spring and summer. And we are very pleased with how they've grown. They're an excellent crop. They've all rooted through. And on these Acers now you can just about to start to see the buds break. They're waiting for a little bit of warm weather and some light. But all of these Acers now will be leafing up within the next 2 or 3 weeks to make a good show for when we start to sell them in May, June of the year coming. Lots of different varieties, palmatum varieties and dissect varieties as well. And always a popular plant for any garden which has a bit of dappled shade, because people like the colour and the form of these Acers. Now with these plants now, I'm just going to take one out and show you the root ball on it. And look at that root ball. Isn't that perfect? From a summer planted bare root plant, that is a fantastic root ball for any Acer. So here in this tunnel, we have our Acers just about to leaf up for late spring, summer sales here at Burncoose Nurseries.